So with the crazy AI boom lately and the whole ChatGPT thing, which people seem to be obsessed about, I decided to try using AI to make some money dropshipping. Let's see whether AI stands up to its hype. Alright, so let's ask ChatGPT which niches are the most profitable in 2023. Alright, let's ask ChatGPT what are the most profitable dropshipping niches in 2023. I see a couple of pretty good ideas here. I really like the last one, subscription boxes. That's pretty creative of ChatGPT. But for this video, I feel like going with the kitchen niche. But yeah, let's ask if it can give us some product ideas. Can you list me some specific home and kitchen products I can sell to make money? Air fryers, baking dishes, kitchen lighting. I don't really like none of these, so let's go to AliExpress and try to find a random product. Alright, so let's search for some kitchen accessories on AliExpress and oh, that's a dumpling maker. I actually seen this one before on TikTok. Yeah, let's go ahead and try this one. Seems pretty fun. Alright, so I also found the product on CJ Dropshipping, so we already have the supplier, and I also found some similar dumpling makers, which we could include in the store as upsells. The total order value is only like $16, so we can go ahead and sell this for 2x the price. Alright, so let's ask this super intelligent creative machine to come up with some names for our dumpling maker. What should I name my product dumpling maker machine? Alright, so from these names, they're pretty interesting. I'm probably gonna go with the Dumpling Bro. It just sounds pretty cool and still not too funky. Can you also write a good description for the dumpling maker machine? Can you make it a bit shorter as I'm gonna be selling it to regular people? Okay, it seems like my super intelligent friend had a malfunction or some sort of a midlife crisis. I don't know which. Can you please let me know in the comment section below? So at this point, it seemed like writing a description for our dumpling maker was a bit hard for ChatGPT. Anyways, jokes aside, I took the description ChatGPT wrote and I tweaked it a little bit and it actually came out pretty good. So I also figured out why not to try Midjourney bot to help us create a logo and product pictures. Alright, so after multiple attempts, I think we finally found something that looks pretty good. So let me show you. Here I tried making a couple of variations for the dumpling maker. This is one of my first times actually using Midjourney bot. I think I kind of figured out how to use it. So here is one that I really liked. So I tried upscaling it, and to be honest, of course the product doesn't look as accurate as in the real image, but I think it looks way better. It looks really cinematic. So here is the image that I used, and here is how it came out. It's not accurate, of course, but you know, people are not gonna really notice. So let me show you how it looks on our website. Alright, so here you can also see the website that we made. It's a pretty simple one, but it's definitely gonna do the job. It looks pretty neat and cool. There's also some videos here. Let me show you the product page. Right, so this is how the product page looks. You know, it's pretty clean. We have the gifts here. Still need to remove some things, like for example this. Nobody cares about that. So here is the product picture that we generated with Midjourney and how it actually looks. To be honest, you know, it looks pretty good on the website. Of course, you know, I could spend some more time trying to make it even better, but I don't really know how to prompt Midjourney the right way. Watched a couple of videos. Yeah, the AI definitely has some powerful things in it that you can use for product images or overall in your business. So after getting the website ready, right now we need some content so we can post it on TikTok and get it viral. I asked ChatGPT to give me some TikTok video ideas for our dumpling maker, and this is what I got. Alright, can you give me some TikTok video ideas to promote my product, the dumpling maker machine? Okay, so these are actually really good. I couldn't come up with these on my own, to be honest. Congrats ChatGPT, you've done good on this one. So I quickly ordered the product from Amazon and started making some content so we can get it up as soon as possible. Alright, so I made a couple of videos and here is what I came up with.
Stop making dumplings with your hands. It is convenient and simple to use this dumpling maker.
I think they have a really great chance of going viral, but let's see. At the start, I'm gonna be posting 3 videos per day, and then based on the views we get, I will increase the volume but if it racks up some views, we're just gonna stick to a consistent schedule and uploading 3 times per day to get the best results. So I will update you guys after a day or 2 if we have gotten any sales. Now, time has passed. Time really has passed. And we have been able to successfully acquire some of that mighty guap. Now you might be asking, why am I so official? The answer is simple, my dear friend. We have been able to officially cross $1,429.79 in sales. And we have spent absolutely 0 guap on advertising. Meaning, Let's calculate the profits. So overall we did $1,429 in sales. Now of that, $812 we spent on the supplier, aka the cost of goods. $57 went to Stripe fees, and $8 we spent on domain. And that leaves us with $552 in profit, which means now we shall feast. Anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to go ahead and watch the previous video where I spent $100 on Shopify store and I made sales. So you can actually go ahead, check that out and see how you can do it yourself as well with a little budget of $100. Also make sure that you hit the subscribe button, like, comment down below video ideas you want me to film or any recommendations, and I see you guys in the next video. Success tastes great.